Hi guys, welcome back to Callaloo's kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Callaloo pizza. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callaloo's kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CalliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callaloo's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I will go in and add my flour, and then I will go in and add my salt. Combine both of them together because you want to ensure that they're evenly distributed. Please note, I will not be adding any yeast nor baking powder to this. Once both of them is nicely combined, I will go in and start adding my cold water. Please note that you don't want to add all of the water at once, just a small amount until your dough comes together nicely. I do have a video on my channel how to make butter dumpling, and basically it's the same thing that we're going to make to use for our pizza, so you can always go ahead and check that out. I will leave a link in the description box, and remember guys, go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I used today. Once my dough comes together nicely, I will just cover it, put it to the side, and allow it to rest for roughly about 10 minutes. All of the ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. I also went ahead already and cooked my callaloo, and there's no saltfish in my callaloo. All I added was some seasoning. I added some of my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper. I also added some of my bell peppers and all of that goodness that you would use to cook your callaloo. So after 10 minutes, my dough is all rested. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some flour just to get rid of some of that stickiness. And then I'm going to go in and start rolling up my dough. I will be using my rolling pin today, but if you guys don't have rolling pin, you can always go ahead and use a rum bottle or you can use a wine bottle, and you just want to roll your dough until it is thin. And I went ahead and put on my frying pot, added my butter, and then I'm going to go in and add the dough to the frying pot and just allow the dough to cook for roughly about a minute or so on each side because it's going to go in the oven. I also preheat my oven at 250 degrees, and we're going to bake our pizza for roughly about 20 minutes or so. So this is it. So we're just going to put the dough on a flat surface, and I will not be adding any pizza sauce to this. I will only be adding the callaloo and the cheese. And remember, as I said, my callaloo is already cooked. So you want to add the callaloo all over the dough. So you just want to spread that out nicely. But if you guys want, you can always go ahead and add some of the pizza sauce to the bottom, or you can just add some cheese to the bottom. It's up to you what you want to do. So you can go ahead and check out the other recipes that I made. Shrimp and jerk chicken pizza, you can check that out and let me know what you think. Also I will be adding some more pizza recipe, so you guys can always turn on your post notification bell and wait on that. So once I add the callaloo, I will go in and start adding the cheese on top, and once the cheese is nicely on top, I will just pop it into the oven and give it 20 minutes as I said. And once it's finished baking, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like, and we're also going to slice into this amazing pizza. This is really easy, really simple. You can always go ahead and prepare it for the family. If you're having a party, guys, you can always go ahead and prepare this. If you're having a birthday party, whatever you're having, you can always go ahead and prepare it. If you're having a party at the office, you can always try this out, and you can always just recommend this to your friends and your families, and just let me know what they think about it. So this is it after 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna place it back on a flat surface and we're gonna slice into it. If you guys want, you can always add more cheese. You can even add more callaloo if you wish to. If you want, you can always go ahead and cook the callaloo with saltfish. No, if you just want to cook the callaloo by itself, you can always go ahead and do so. Alright, so basically we're finished. So we're just gonna serve this up. You can always go ahead and add some parsley flakes on top. And basically this is it, the final product. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing callaloo pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 8K subscribers. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. See you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again so much for your love and your support. See you tomorrow. Bye.